I'm Javier Jimenez, I'm COO of Airnguru. And first of all, we're very happy to participate in this initiative. And this proof of concept has been a really great opportunity to meet other companies and to collaborate and to understand how we could build this together. So the main objective of our proof of concept is to have a retail solution that works on modularity principles. So we have mixed different companies, each of them with their own expertise, providing that expertise to build this end-to-end solution. We believe this is great for airlines because each of these companies is very good at what they do. So together they can build a very powerful product. It gives airlines the flexibility to pick what are the capabilities that they need for their own needs. And also leave space for vendors that maybe they cannot solve everything at once, but they can solve a smaller problem in a very, very good way. And that's what we have done. We think that flexibility and innovation, it's very important for the future of modern airline retailing.
So my name is Alexander Kinner. I'm representing Piano in this modularity, in this whole POC basically. And for us, because we are a digital company that works across a lot of industries, basically, an initiative like this actually allows us to bring the expertise that we know that we have, that we're using every day in other industries, that was just not possible to implement in aviation, in airlines, because they are so focused on the core systems that it's really hard to integrate standards dynamically, initiatives, innovation, and all of that. So events like this, they are really an innovation driver, I would say, for the industry. And as well, that's what we've done and managed to create. So I'm really happy to collaborate with all of the other vendors on this.
Yeah, my name is Sebastian Holfert from Lufthansa Systems, and we represented in this modularity POC the financial management part of our product Xarax One Order. So we covered the areas order accounting and settlement. And yeah, what are our learnings? So one is really that modularity, it's possible. And in this POC, we covered really all the areas, starting with the shopping, retailing, so the offer management part. We talked about dynamic pricing, the order management, where the order is created, distributed to all the other areas. We had also delivery included, and what we cover is Xarax One Order, the financial management part, so order accounting and settlement. And learning is really modularity is possible. And now the airline is really in the position that they can build up their own environment. And we have showed that this is possible over all these components of a 100% offer and order-based environment.
So I'm Chris Allison from Pros, and I look after the offer, order, and product management platform from a product perspective. Pros was participating by providing the offer management, dynamic pricing, shopping engine, product catalog, and stock keeper as part of the POC. I think one of the big learnings from our side as participating in this large group is the fact that, yes, as others have said, the modularity is here and proven. Obviously, there were a lot of system interactions and a lot of interactions through the end-to-end process. And we need to find the right balance there between providing standards at speed so that we can use them and scale these interactions quickly and bring that modularity to life. Equally, we need to make sure that we can continue to innovate at speed without having to necessarily wait for a standard to be ready. And maybe that's relying on us as a group being able to feed back into the standard setting process. But in general, I think we've proved that it's possible. Working out how to scale this and industrialize this is, I think, the next part of the conversation.
I'm Oliver Ammann. I work for OpenJaw. I look after the commercial group. So from our perspective, it's been a great initiative by IATA. I think all the vendors here are very strong proponents of giving airlines choice and commercial freedom. And I think having this initiative where we work with IATA based on open modular standards, and interoperability is very important to drive the standards forward. And we would definitely be interested in participating in something like this again next year. So very well done to IATA, and thanks for having us.
Hello, my name is Tom Brophy, representing Res2 in the delivery management part of the POC. Like the others, I would like to thank IATA for the opportunity to present here and to show our capabilities and to explain how good a time we had with 6 providers working together with a spirit of cooperation and openness, I think, relying on the standards that IATA have in place so far, and looking forward to developing those standards together to bring the modern airline retailing to the next step.